Welcome to the project demonstration of dual stepper motor speed and direction controlling based on the settings from this potentiometer along with buttons, and also we are going to stop the system from this emergency stop switch. So here these are the switches, like, so this for the speed setting, so we can increase and decrease the speed, and we are going to set the timing for the stepper motor, how much time it has to be run. So in this system, when we set the time, the particular motor 1 and motor 2 will be run alternately for the particular seconds, and this is the enter button to set the values and emergency stop button. And here the flow is, so we are going to provide the input from the system, and once the system setting was initialized and when we enter the enter button, then the system will enter into the infinity loop of rotation of the stepper motor with duration set and also speed set. So here the power flow is, we are going to provide the 230 volts inputs from this power socket and to these two transformers. So these two transformers are the main power source for the two stepper motors, and one regular power supply module for the main source to our motherboard and controlling section. And from this transformer we are going to step down the 230 volts and 12 volts of AC, and after this rectifier and filter will get the 12 volts of pure DC, and that was the main power source input to the stepper motors through this regulated power supply section as well as our motor drivers. And also we are going to provide the input from this control buttons and the push button to the PIC 18452 microcontroller, and also we can set the direction of the motors from the switches. So as you can see, this is the motor 2, this top is going to be the clockwise and counterclockwise, and the right side is a clockwise, and the right side is counterclockwise, and the left side is a clockwise for the motor 1. And we can set the direction of the motor and the speed and time till how much duration it has to rotate. So let us see the demonstration. So when we switch on the gate, it will ask for the initialization of these so-called parameters, right? Now, right, so now it is asking for the speed. So now again I am increasing the speed till 10. So the speed is 1 to 10. So let us go with the lower speed of 1. Okay, and also how much of duration we have to rotate each stepper motor alternatingly. So plus and minus. So when we press this button, so the time will be increased. So we can see that the 5 seconds and decreasing. So it is 1 to 600 seconds of duration. So now we are setting that for demonstration easy purpose 5 seconds. And next is enter. When we enter this, the motors start rotating based on the input values. And also now we are set for the M1 and M2 is a clockwise. We can change that to counterclockwise. Motor 2 same clockwise, and here counterclockwise and clockwise. Right. So now both are in clockwise. So let us go to press enter. Right. So we can see this. The motor 1, motor 2 is clockwise, and these two are rotating with the speed of one level, and for the 5 seconds of duration it rotates alternatingly 1, 2, and again 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's continuously process going on. If you want to change any settings, either speed or direction, then you can place a reset switch or else on of the main power source. Okay, and now I'm going to set the speed for highest 10, and the duration is same, only 2 seconds or minus or plus, and just I want to enter it now. Just enter. So now it's ready for the so-called time 2 seconds. So we can check the time also. It's very accurate. And if you want to stop, is there any malfunction is going on, if you want to stop the system, just press the emergency switch. Now we can see that emergency stop has happened. And now I want to change the direction of motor 2, and same speed is around 5, and the duration is 3 seconds, and just enter. So you can see that as a motor 1 is rotating the clockwise and motor 2 is counterclockwise. Same thing. So I want to change the direction of motor 2 and motor 1 alternating. I changed. Again speed is highest and the duration and of, let us go with the 10 seconds. We'll check for that. And just we need to select the enter. Sorry. So unfortunately the emergency got pressed. High speed, and let us go with the 10 seconds of duration. Okay, and enter. Right. So now motor 1 is counterclockwise, and after 10 seconds of duration motor 2 will be taking over the action. After 10 seconds complete, again it is clockwise at a speed of highest speed. Okay, and if you want to stop the system in emergency cases, just press it, automatically stops. Done. Thank you.